In a world where technology is evolving and you think you've seen it all, we just get to find out that more gadgets, more innovations are mind-blowing, and then they're just wow. Okay, so gadgets are a part of our innovations and part of our lives, and today on TechGist we'll be bringing you amazing futuristic gadgets that are likely to be out in 2023. So do stay back, we'll be right back.
Enjoy exciting and educating talks on tech and its future on TechGist every Wednesday.
Diving straight into it, I'm going to go with the first device on our menu today, and I think it sounds very long.
On your menu, you want to eat
on our
it?
Menu, we get menu now because it's 2023. We have to plan the menu. We don't know who's going to get one of these devices in the future, and I think it's called the recipe home monitoring device. So that sounds very funny, like recipe home monitoring device, but it's not. It's more than that. What this device actually do is to monitor your mood whenever you get home. Probably, for example, Ejiro or EJ gets back from work one day, and you walk into your house and your house senses how you're feeling. You're always wearing red, so probably you are very angry after frustrating our wonderful cameraman at the back, and the whole day are up and down, and your house is like, hey, what can I do to actually make you better? Probably the house will just put in your favorite music. What's your favorite music? For example, put in your favorite music, go crazy, and the mood of the house will just change. Like, hey, just go crazy, baby.
Go crazy by Chris Brown.
Chris Brown. I've never heard that song before. So that happens in the house, and probably it turns on the AC for you. Sometimes things like this are very, very stressful. You get home, you can't even stand up. You can't do this. So once you get home, you're tired. The recipe home monitoring device will make life easy for you. Just make sure you get home and relax and sit on your bed. Probably put on your AC for you, or put on your fan. Probably the light is too much. It turns on the light for you. I like a device like that. That kind of device will make you relax and settle down and relax at home. So that is what this device do. And this 2023, I think there is a mass production of this device to help people to relax, because as we being human beings, we are being stressed out every day, and we are constantly looking for ways to make our life easier and much better. So EJ, what do you think about this?
Well, I mean, I like it. It tends to read my mood and changes it if it wants to.
The technology behind it is amazing. Honestly, it's something mind blowing, and I still wonder how that would do in the market.
Now let's see about that in 2023. Moving on, we have the Pudu robotic flashbots. Pudu robotic flashbots is quite interesting. It's a self-delivery device. It's just like a robotics delivering something to your doorstep, which can be anywhere, in the office, hospital, anywhere. And I would say that the first device that I saw that can do this Pudu robotics was in 2020, when coronavirus was
social distancing instead of
was like in vogue, like everybody. So I saw it on the news where this robotic was actually delivering food items, groceries to people in their houses. It would like take the elevator or take some take the elevator and
by
then
itself.
Just go deliver food. And then in the hospital, it gives patients their food, their meals, and what they are actually supposed to take at a particular time. That is just something Pudu robotic flashbots can actually do. Be able to deliver items like that. And I think I like it because I'm a lazy person. I want something.
I don't think you're lazy. You're just it's because of people like you. Innovations like this are being brought up, because I don't think nobody is lazy.
Moving to number 3.
Moving to our number 3 is called the wearable VR headset device. Well, we've had all kinds of technology or guidance around the wearable VR device, but this is actually different. This is good for creative people, and if, for example, you have a creative thought in your head, you can put on this device, and it will create a 3D reality for you to help you construct an image of your imagination. For example, you put on the headset, the VR, and you're trying to think probably of a stadium, for example. The stadium is coming into your mind, you're looking into the design of it. What that headset does for you is to help you give life to your imagination and help you become a much more creative person when thinking. So that is the purpose of this device. And looking into the year 2023, for creators, thinkers, and this device, I believe, is going to flood the market, and people are going to go for it. So I personally begin to wonder if Ejiro or EJ puts on this device on our head, it's going to be what will pop out if you are to think or come up with a thought in your head. So what will come out? You know, I want you to. I'm going to buy this device for you personally, EJ. So when you put it in your head, I'll be like, okay.
Let me not shame you, because you've been wanting to buy me several things, and I've not seen one. I've never seen an ice cream or bucket chicken from you. Moving on to number 4, we have anxiety device. It's like for people that are having anxiety disorder or something, anxiety problem. But basically, I think everybody has that fear of you know. So yes, so this device actually gets to ease them to calm down in like 10 minutes. So all you have to do is just put that device on your chest, and then you're going to feel relaxed. That's just the essence of this device. That's simple.
That's simple, and that's very surprising, and it shows us how far human being has gone in terms of gadget and technology and innovation. Having to just put the device on your chest and just to calm your nerves and make you relax and feel comfortable. It's amazing. It's like words of miracle. It's like miracle. EJ, I taught you you're healed or something. So how does that feel? And that's the kind of gadget we're talking about here.
Yeah, moving on. I like this one. This next device is quite good. You know, it's more of a car actually. Actually, it's a BMW chameleon car.
So actually, I'm a big fan of flying stuff like airplanes and all. You know, but BMW. But if you don't know this, they were actually into aviation before the World War. After the World War, they actually moved into making cars. So since then, I strongly believe, I've been a big fan of their
design. You? Let me test you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to embarrass a fan of BMW. Okay. Can you tell me the full meaning of BMW?
Okay, that will be when we are done.
A fan of BMW.
What this?
A fan. Yes. Let me just chuck you and tell you the full meaning of BMW, as most of you would not know in this video, is Bavarian Motor Works.
Oh shit.
I don't know what that Bavarian means. Anyways, BMW Bavarian Motor Works. That's the full meaning.
What we're talking about is the BMW new chameleon
car, which is set to be released in 2023.
Yeah, and I believe, just imagine somebody's driving. So by chance, if you just see someone driving on the road, driving a BMW, and the car just changes color, please don't faint.
No, I think I've even seen something on
we've seen this in movies, but it's likely to happen.
I think this lady that talks about cars,
you just see where the guy is, somebody's driving a BMW and the car just suddenly changes color, and you know, just make sure I just hope you must have seen this video telling you about it, because you will just be shocked and be like, oh, you know, you'll be blown away. But all these things are technology and innovations. It's not village people, you understand? So there are so many things you can learn in terms of tech, not just from between me and AJ. You can learn a lot from DABA school as well. Learn so much in terms of tech. You know, we have courses there you can learn from that can actually give you education. So you won't be surprised or blown away when you see some things that you'll be like, is this possible? You have to learn to understand. So that is why we are here for you guys. So the chameleon car, EJ, like you were saying,
is actually set to come out in 2023. I wanted to say that I've seen it somewhere before on a lady, you know, but I mean, since they said it's set to come out in 2023, we are waiting for it.
See.
Now to the last one. One of the most important things for your health right now is a good sleep, and I do not play with it because you need it for fresh skin.
Yes, of course.
Anyway, so what I'm trying to say now, on our last list, we have this device which is called Simba Hybrid Deluxe Mattress. From the word mattress, you know what I'm talking about. It allows you to sleep comfortably on the bed. And the amazing part about it is that if you are on the bed with someone, you will even feel or know that someone is on the bed with you.
Yeah, exactly.
How do they even want that to start? What if someone is actually sleeping on the bed with you and the person wants to cuddle you and you're not going to feel the cuddles of the person? That's the point of this mattress. And like we said, it's a futuristic one, and where I mean, I can't wait to see the effect or hear the effect of this Deluxe Hybrid mattress, how someone will sleep on it and then you will even feel that the person is, the movement of the person, you will feel that the person is moving or something like that. So I want to
Yeah,
know
because
that.
I believe over time, since the beginning of us using mattresses or bed, one of the things that actually wake people up the most is just the feeling of somebody else on the bed. Like that, your body is going to respond to it, and you'll be like, okay, let me wake up.
Also helps avoid joint movements, painful joints. You know, sometimes there are people that sleep on one side of their arms, and then when they wake up, their body is just paining them and all that. So that bed, the mattress actually, I don't know what I'm calling it bed. The mattress actually helps you avoid those joint pains and all of that. Anyways, we have said some of the most futuristic devices or gadgets that will be coming out soon, and we can't wait to see some of them that have been listed out and
in 2023.
Yes. That will be all for now on Tech Gist. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Do not forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel as well.
Also, if you have anything that you want us to talk about on Tech Gist, please leave it in the comment section. And what do you also think about this video? Do you think there are some possibilities to the making of some of this gadgets or devices that are coming out there? Let us know in the comment section. But for today, my name still remains EJ,
and my name is Mikhail.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Discover amazing entrepreneurs with successful businesses and creating impacts on the Business Leader of the Week show every Saturday. The internet is not just a web, it is also an estate. Catch the exciting stories of people making money on the internet live on the Internet Business Show every Friday. Enjoy exciting and educating talks on tech and its future on Tech Gist every Wednesday. Enjoy global and local news in different languages on Tech News every Tuesday. Discover entrepreneurs making impacts and changing lives on the Top 5 Entrepreneurs every Thursday. Catch all of these exciting shows live on DABA TV.